Are you still crying into your coffee because your email list is slower than a snail on a treadmill? Well, what if I told you that with just $5, you could flood your autoresponder with real Tier 1 subscribers in under 24 hours without spending hundreds on Google or Facebook ads? Yeah, I know. It sounds insane, but stick with me. Hey, I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com, and I've been crushing affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years. I've tested hundreds of tools, funnels, and traffic hacks, and today we're diving into something that might just blow your mind: the $5 traffic anomaly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, who it's for, and how to get your hands on it, plus some exclusive bonuses I've cooked up just for my viewers. Spoiler, these bonuses aren't available anywhere else. Stick around because in the description, I've linked my secret bonus pack that includes swipe files, a niche cheat sheet, and plug-and-play email sequences to turn your tiny $5 experiment into a money-making machine. Trust me, it's worth it. So what exactly is this? The $5 traffic anomaly is a step-by-step blueprint that uncovers a forgotten traffic source that actually works. Real people, Tier 1 countries, and pennies per click. It's designed for affiliate marketers, beginners, or anyone building an email list who's tired of paying $50 to $100 a day on Google or Facebook ads and seeing nothing happen. Simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. And the best part? You can set it up in 3 ridiculously simple steps. Grab the blueprint. That's your secret map to this traffic goldmine. Launch your $5 campaign. Literally, I mean $5. Less than a latte at Starbucks. Watch your autoresponder explode. Okay, maybe not literally, but close. You'll see 70+ subscribers in a day, just like I did. And no, you don't need to host NASA or hire a team of rocket scientists to pull this off. Here's what you're really getting: rapid email list growth without paying a fortune. Real, responsive subscribers from Tier 1 countries. A step-by-step, foolproof system that even a total newbie can follow. A $5 experiment that actually turns into real results fast. Now think about it. Most list-building methods cost hundreds per month for tiny results. Here, you're starting at just $7.95 one time, and you can scale as you go. That's cheaper than your Netflix subscription, and way more profitable.
Imagine turning just $5 into a flood of 70+ high-quality subscribers from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia in just 24 hours. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. What I'm about to reveal is a forgotten traffic source that the marketing gurus don't want you to know about. They've been keeping this hidden from you because it's so powerful, yet so simple, that it could completely change the game. Now, let me be clear. This is nothing like what you've seen before. We're not talking about expensive Facebook ads, complicated Google campaigns, unreliable solo ads, or time-consuming SEO. This is something completely different, and that's what makes it so powerful. What I've discovered is an untapped wellspring of real, genuine visitors who are actively looking for what you have to offer. These aren't just random clicks or bot traffic. These are real people ready to engage with your content and offers. Imagine launching a campaign that costs less than your morning coffee, then waking up the next day to see your subscriber list growing on autopilot. That's exactly what happened when I tested this method, and I'm going to show you the proof. Here's what I achieved in just 24 hours. Over 70 new subscribers added to my list. These aren't just any subscribers. These are high-quality leads from top-tier countries who are genuinely interested in what I have to offer. But it gets even better. Not only did I build my list, but I also made an instant affiliate sale that covered my ad spend and put me in profit right away. This isn't just about getting traffic, it's about getting profitable traffic that converts. That's why I've created the $5 traffic anomaly, a complete blueprint that shows you exactly how to tap into this incredible traffic source and replicate my results. Inside, you'll discover everything you need to succeed. The exact name of this powerful traffic source, a step-by-step campaign setup blueprint that leaves nothing to chance, and a proven email sequence you can copy and paste to start generating results immediately. Right now, you can get access to everything for just $7.95, but fair warning, this price won't last long. As more people discover this method and start getting results, the price will increase. Click the button below now to get instant access to the $5 traffic anomaly. You're protected by my 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Don't wait. Grab this opportunity while it's still available at this incredibly low price.
Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. And yes, There are optional upgrades if you want to take it next level. OTO 1, Video Masterclass, $27. Perfect if you want the full behind-the-scenes walkthrough. OTO 2, DFY Campaign Toolkit, $37. Done for you campaigns ready to launch. OTO 3, Reseller Agency License, $97. Turn this into a legit business you can sell to clients. OTO 4, DFY Setup Service, $197. They do it for you if you're feeling lazy or just busy crying into coffee. I personally tested this with just $5, and in under 24 hours, I got 70 plus subscribers and even earned a small affiliate commission. It's fast, simple, and surprisingly cheap. I've tried countless tools over the years, and this one actually delivers without the headache. Full disclosure, if you're looking for some magical get-rich-quick scheme or hate following simple instructions, this probably isn't for you. But if you're ready to build a real, valuable email list with minimal spend, you'll love it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing a flood of subscribers hitting your autoresponder. Picture the doors this opens for your business, affiliate commissions, launches, or even your own product empire. For less than $8, it's a no-brainer. Grab it now, because early bird pricing won't last forever. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more affiliate marketing hacks, and drop a comment if you've ever tested a $5 traffic hack before. And hey, don't forget to check the description for my exclusive bonus pack. Until next time, keep hustling and stop crying into coffee.